Very good morning, my dear student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a mathematics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajda. Student, today I am taking the one more question from the exercise number 8.1 of chapter number 8, class 9 mathematics from NCERT. The name of the chapter quadrilateral. Student, अगर जो आप ये एक्सरसाइज अभी देख रहे हैं दैट मीन्स आपने पिछले वीडियो रिलेटेड टू चैप्टर 8 नहीं देखे हैं, तो माय सजेशन फर्स्टली सी द वीडियोस रिलेटेड टू थ्योरम सेक्शन ऑफ द चैप्टर नंबर 8। अगर जो आप थ्योरम देखेंगे तो आपके कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होंगे, कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होंगे तो आप उन थ्योरम का यूज अप्लाई कर सकते हैं एक्सरसाइज में। सो माय सजेशन पर्सनली आप क्या देखेंगे, थ्योरम नंबर 8.1 टू theorem number 8.9 of the chapter number 8. Student, now the first question of the exercise number 8.1, the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find the angles of a quadrilateral. What is the meaning of the quadrilateral? A shape which consists of four sides are known as the quadrilateral. आप इसको कैसा भी बना सकते हैं, डिपेंड्स ऑन यू। मे बी स्क्वायर, मे बी रेक्टेंगल, मे बी पैरेललोग्राम, मे बी रोम्बस, मे बी ट्रेपेजियम, डिपेंड्स ऑन यू। लेट अस कंसीडर ए बी सी डी, एंगल ए, एंगल बी, एंगल सी, एंगल डी। स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट पॉइंट गिवन दैट according to the term of mathematics, given that a ratio between the angles of the quadrilateral in ABCD, angle A, ratio B, ratio C, ratio D equal to 3:5:9:13, such that angle A equal to 3x, angle B equal to 5x, angle C equal to 9x, angle D equal to 13x. Okay student, ratio always convert into the form of coefficient of number। मतलब कहीं ना कहीं जब भी हम रेशो को तोड़ते हैं तो क्या यूज होता है स्टूडेंट, बोलिए जल्दी से, एक वेरिएबल इंट्रोड्यूस होता है। यू नो दैट वेरी वेल। The sum of all angle in a triangle will be equal of 180 degree and the sum of all angle in a quadrilateral will be equal of 360 degree. So student, by property of quadrilateral, we can say angle A plus B plus C plus D will be equal of 360 degree. A, that means 3x, B, that means 5x, C, that means 9x, D, that means 13x will be equal 360. Okay student, 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 8 plus 9, 8, 16 and 17, 17 plus 3, that means 20 plus 10 equal to 30. X will be equal of 360 such that x will be equal of 360 by 30. So x will be equal of 36 by 3, that means x will be equal of 12. Student, द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 12। फिर से मैं बोलूँगा, गिवन दैट क्या दिया मुझे, ए रेशो बी रेशो सी रेशो डी इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री। नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट, दैट मीन्स अ सॉल्यूशन। एंगल ए will be equal of 3x, b equal to 5x, c equal to 9x, d equal to 13x. Student, the sum of all angle in quadrilateral will be equal of 360 degrees such that 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x equal to 360। इन सभी को प्लस करा, एंगल विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 30, ये इसके इंटू में, सामने वाले के डिवाइड में, 0 विल बी कैंसिल बाय 0 and 36 will be cancelled by 3, so we getting 12. Student, x will be equal of 12, but according to the question we have to find all the angles. So angle A, what is the mean of the angle A? Will be equal of 3x, that means 3 into 12 equal to 36 degree. Angle B equal to 5x, and 5 into 12 equal to 60 degree. Okay student, angle C will be equal of 9x, and 9 into 12 will be equal of 18, carry will be 1, that means a 108 degree. And angle D will be equal of 13x, that means a 13 into 12, student, 13 into 12, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 1 into 3, that means a 3, 1 1 ja 1. So finally we getting 156. So required solution, answer डैश क्या होंगे आंसर स्टूडेंट? 36 डिग्री, कॉमा 60 डिग्री, कॉमा 108 डिग्री एंड 156 डिग्री. फिर से समझिए स्टूडेंट, गिवन दैट रेशियो बिटवीन द एंगल्स ए बी सी डी विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 3:5:9:13 such that a equal to 3x, b equal to 5x, c equal to 9x, d equal to 13x. The sum of the all angle in quadrilateral will be equal of 360 degree. So finally a plus b plus c plus d equal to 360, 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x equal to 360 degree, plus 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 plus. So 30x equal to 360, x will be equal of 12. Student, we putting the value of x in the place of angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, such that 3 into 12 equal to 36, 5 into 12 equal to 60, 9 into 12 will be equal of 108, and 13 into 12 will be equal of 156 degree. Okay students, solution for the question number first. Now we taking next question. Student, now we taking the second question of the exercise number 8.1. Question number second, if the diagonals of the parallelogram are equal, that means parallelogram is a given, then show that it is a rectangle. You know that very well. A rectangle is also a example of parallelogram, but parallelogram is not a example of rectangle. मेरी बात को धीरे धीरे फिर से सुनिएगा, समझ आ जाएगा. रेक्टेंगल इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम, बट पैरेललोग्राम इज नॉट अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. वी हैव टू प्रूव पैरेललोग्राम इज अ रेक्टेंगल. मुझे एक ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम बनाना है जो भविष्य में रेक्टेंगल बन जाए. What is the property of the parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. That means that this side will be equal of this and parallel to this. Let us consider A, B, C, D. AB equal to CD and AB parallel to CD. And next one, AD equal to BC. Single dot, we apply the simple AB parallel to BC. Okay student, if the diagonals of parallelogram is equal. अभी तो सिर्फ हमने parallelogram की प्रॉपर्टी ली, और यहाँ पर एक और बात बोला है, diagonals are also equal. Okay student, we have to show ABCD is a rectangle. We have to show ABCD is a rectangle. First point student, given that, मुझे क्या दिया है? मुझे दिया है ए बी सी डी. ए बी सी डी इज अ parallelogram such that we can say opposite sides are equal. AB equal to CD and AB parallel to CD, and from this side AD equal to BC and AD parallel to BC. Okay student, फिर से बात करते हैं. गिवन दैट quadrilateral ABCD in which AB parallel CD AB parallel to CD and AB equal to CD from this side, BC equal to AD and BC parallel to AD. And diagonals are also equal. What is the meaning of the diagonals? AC, here AC will be equal of BD. Student, next one, to prove, we have to prove, मुझे क्या prove करना है? We have to prove AB quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. What is the meaning of the rectangle? Such that angle A equal to B equal to C equal to D will be equal of 90 degree. Okay, student, we have to prove both angles will be equal of 90 डिग्री. स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन में एक ऐसा पॉइंट आएगा जहाँ पर 99.99% स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन को फिनिश कर देते हैं. थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिएगा. स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी टेक अ ट्राइंगल फ्रॉम दिस साइड. कंसीडर ए बी डी. नाउ वी टेकिंग triangle ABD and from another side we taking the triangle ABC. Okay, student, triangle ABC and triangle ABD. मुझे क्या करना है? Equal and similar. What is the meaning of the equal and similar? In any two triangle, if three statement execute equal, both triangle are known as equal and similar. First property, RHS, right and side theorem. कभी भी इक्वल एंड सिमिलर करना है तो सबसे पहले आप वैल्यू देंगे किसको? राइट हैंड साइड थ्योरम को. देन आफ्टर साइड एंगल साइड एंगल साइड एंगल 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 साइड एंड साइड 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 theorem. Okay, student, we have to select any one between the 5 different situation. Student, here in both triangle, first one, this side will be equal of this and this is a common side, and third one, diagonals are equal, that means both are in the form of the side. समझ आ रहा है student? First one, according to the statement of the given that opposite sides are equal in the case of the parallelogram, that means AD equal to BC. Second one, AB equal to AB, that means a common side. And third one, student, the sequence in the theorem, first point given that always last point common. मतलब फर्स्ट नंबर पे क्या आना चाहिए? AD will be equal of BC. Reason given that. Second one, student, AB equal to AB, common side. Okay. Next one, diagonals are equal. That means AC equal to AC equal to AC equal to BD. Okay, student. In any triangle, if three things are equal, such that both triangle are equal and similar. Okay, student. By using side theorem. Okay, student, by use side theorem, such that we can say angle A will be equal of angle B. देखिए स्टूडेंट, मैंने जो बात बोली थी मिस्टेक की वो यहाँ पर होती है. we have to prove both angle will be equal of 90 degree. तो 99.99% स्टूडेंट डायरेक्ट लिख देते हैं एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल B इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. बट ऐसा नहीं है. बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इक्वल एंड सिमिलर वी कैन राइट एनी टू एंगल्स इन इक्वल बट डोंट टेक इक्वल ऑफ 90. अब क्या करें स्टूडेंट? सिंस ABCD is a example of parallelogram such that between the two parallel lines AB parallel to BC. Since AD parallel to BC, that means the sum of interior angle will be equal of 180 degree. The sum of interior angle between the two parallel line will be equal of 180 degree. By use of equation number first, we can write B replaced by A. So finally, we getting 2 times angle A equal to 180 degree. So finally, angle A will be equal of 180 by 2 such that angle A equal to 90 degrees. So by using equation number first, A and B both are equal, A and B both are equal, A equal to 90 such that V equal to 90 degree. Similarly अगर जो आप यही पूरा DC के लिए परफॉर्म करते हैं, DC जैसा आपने AB बेस लिया वैसा DC लेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा एंगल C इक्वल टू 90 and angle D equal to 90 degree such that we can write ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, dear student. Question number second, we have to prove ABCD is a rectangle. Rectangle that means all angle will be equal of 90 degree. तो मैंने क्या करा, ठीक है, दोनों ट्राइंगल को इक्वल एंड सिमिलर प्रूव करा such that both angle will be equal. Between the two parallel lines, sum of angle will be equal of 180 degree. B replaced by A such that 2 times A equal to 180 such that A equal to 90 degree. A 90 that means B 90. Similarly, C and D also 90 degree. Both angles will be 90. That means ABCD is a rectangle. I hope student you getting the 110% solution related to question number first and question number second of the exercise number 8.1. Thank you so much.